ready for you now.
Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and I have tons of laundry motivation for you guys. I have got 13 loads of laundry that I need to get done. That's also including blankets that I'm needing to get washed up and get them put away, and then bring them back out in the winter. But I need to get all those washed up because they've just been sitting in the laundry room floor for a little while. So right now I am just getting all of the laundry separated. I am separating my lights from darks, but you guys will see I have a lot of dark clothing. I don't have a lot of light colored clothing. I'm trying to add more color into my wardrobe.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
So I am using Gain laundry soap and the Gain fabric softener, and I am loving the scent, which is called Spring Daydream. It smells so good because usually I use the lavender scented Gain laundry soap, but they were out, so I decided to try this one, and it smells so good. So now I was just getting some of the stuff switched over from the washer into the dryer and getting the towels tossed in so I can get these washed up. And I've got tons of towels to get washed up because that is towels for both bathrooms. And I tossed in a little bit of OxyClean to kind of help whiten them.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
So I'm just getting my husband's uniforms folded up and hung up, but as I was folding them and kind of shaking them out a little bit, they still stink. Like, they don't smell clean at all. They're clean, but they just don't smell clean. So I just need to strip his uniforms again, is about that time. I like to try to do it once every 2 weeks. So I'm needing to get that done, which I will probably do that next week. Probably like Monday or something. Strip all of his uniforms to get them clean and smelling better, because oh my goodness, they don't smell clean at all.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
And I hang up all of my bras. I do not put them in the dryer. The dryer tears them up. The straps will get tangled in clothes. So to keep my bras looking good and in good condition, I just hang them up to dry. And plus, they're all Victoria's Secret bras. So, and those things are expensive. And once I get clothes out of the dryer, I have to fold them right then and there. Because if I don't, they're not going to get folded. I don't mind washing and drying clothes. It's the folding. I don't like it. So if I don't do it as soon as it comes out of the dryer, it's not going to get done. Like, we'll live out of a basket for a week. Because laundry is my least favorite thing to do. Because if I'm not making a laundry video, it literally takes me a while to get the stuff folded. But when I make the laundry routine videos, they all get folded. But everything will get folded up.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things. And you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another.
So I didn't get these clothes finished, put away, folded, nothing. My husband had called me and asked me if I was ready, and I lost track of time. Our daughter is in a play, so I've just been sitting here doing laundry all day long, just lost track of time. And so, and he was already almost home, so I had to rush, get dressed, fix my hair, do my makeup, because I still hadn't done none of that. Because when I started doing all of the laundry, I had literally just started doing that after I got done working out. I got my workout in, and I didn't bother taking a shower because I was going to be doing laundry. I was just going to get hot and sweaty still. So I just waited. Like, I still had to take a shower and get ready. And I had like 30 minutes to do it. So I just dry shampooed my hair and just hopped in the shower, washed my body off, and hurried up and got dressed before we had to leave. Because usually when I know I've got things like that I need to do or something's going on, I'll have it like in my phone programmed where alarm goes off and it's like my little reminder. I need to stop whatever it is I'm doing so I can get myself ready. But I didn't do it that day.
may seem all rude, but I can't remember where.
So it is the next day. I had to rewash these towels because I left them sitting in the washer and forgot about putting them in the dryer before I left. Even like when we got home, we didn't get home until about 8 o'clock. So it was a 2-hour long play. So a little over. So we didn't get home until 8 and still wasn't thinking about them. So I had to rewash the towels, and I was getting these dish rags washed up, and I put some OxyClean in there and some borax, trying to get them like cleaning, super clean, as clean as I can get them. I do need to strip those. I am going to be doing a laundry stripping video too coming up because I've got some things I need to get stripped. And I was fighting Thor. He was wanting up on the bed, and so was Valkyrie, while I was trying to get these clothes folded up and put away.
I am a mattress on an old wood floor and fragments of the night before. I don't wanna waste no time, and you don't wanna waste your love. Even though your kiss on fire, my mind is all blurry now. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both liked everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. I can tell what time it is. The thing is I don't really care, 'cause I got no place to be other than right here. You look so good wrapped in those sheets. You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Feeling low, hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on the chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both liked everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you. Come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. You look so good wrapped.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you guys some laundry motivation, because I know sometimes I need a little laundry motivation, so I will find me a laundry routine video to watch just to get a little extra motivated to get all of this done. So I hope this video helps you guys and gives y'all some motivation. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday. And I will talk to you guys next week.